Telangana is certainly the youngest state in India. The senior most politician, I'd surely say, KCR, who's almost like a godly figure in the political landscape in Telangana. I'm joining him on the campaign trail. Of course, the BRS at this point is looking to revive its fortunes, and they're quite confident. KCR, thank you very much, Chandrasekhar Raoji, for speaking to India today. We know that you've been traveling and traversing through different constituencies of Telangana. And you are quite confident this time that the victory that Congress gained in the assembly, they'll be taught a fitting lesson this Lok Sabha. Why would you say that?
In fact, Congress party has given more assurances which are beyond their capacity. The state exchequer doesn't permit to implement all those promises made by the Congress party during the course of election. Now, people have realized that they have been sufficiently cheated by the Congress party. Now they are so angry. They will express their anguish through the vote in the parliament election.
The BJP seems to be gaining ground in a state like Telangana, which hardly had presence a few years ago. With each passing election, the vote share increases. What do you think is the reason for that?
BJP is a champion to create this Goebbels kind of publicity. They are known for it. As a matter of fact, during 2014 assembly elections, they have lost deposits in 117 constituencies out of 119 constituencies. In the last assembly elections also, recently held assembly elections, they have lost deposit in 64 constituencies of the state. Actually, literally, BJP has no ground.
Sir, I'd still like to ask you, going back to a few years, you have supported the Modi government in the parliament to pass bills, even the farm laws at that point. There was a lot of talk that you have a tacit understanding with the BJP.
No, not at all. That's not correct. I was a new government. It was a new state which incepted in the year 2014. So I was supposed to maintain a constitutional relationship with the union government, That was the compulsion. So, certain times like president election, anyway they were winning, they asked my support, I said, ठीक है, कर देते हैं. ऐसा situation था. When farm bills came, we didn't supported him. We opposed it. Somebody wrongly said it. When the farm laws came in, those block laws we have vehemently opposed in both the houses.
How do you look at the India Bloc Alliance today, which you are not part of?
Let me tell you one thing very clearly. As understood by me and so many others, and so many observations also reveal, there is nothing like India Alliance, nothing like NDA Alliance. Nothing. Maybe it is surprising you.
It's a myth, you're saying.
It's a myth, I am telling you. Mamata has gone out, so many others have gone out. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is separate and I am separate. Even Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is separate. Non-aligned people, there are so many. Very few people are there who are attached to Congress and very, very few with BJP. So there is nothing like India. I think the regional parties are going to emerge as a stronger group in this parliament election.
You've had a health scare, you've recovered. It's great to see you moving around and meeting people. How are you feeling now?
I am much better now.
Yeah.
My leg was broken immediately after the election. Yeah. I was suffering. I think about 2 months I was on the bed.
I know. We've been following you, tracking you closely.
Yeah, but now I am very happy. I am able to move. I am able to conduct this bus yatra. And people are receiving me. I am very happy really.
So, we know that your daughter Kavita is right now in judicial custody. How do you look at this whole situation? The Delhi liquor scam, has that been a reason of taint or a black spot on the BRS?
As a matter of fact, it is a cruel game by Mr. Modi. Delhi liquor scam is not at all a scam. It's a rubbish. Taking the Lieutenant Governor's letter, the central government jumped into and created a scam, artificial scam. As a matter of fact, it's a reverse scam. It's a political scam by Mr. Modi. My daughter is quite innocent. Even Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is innocent. It was a Delhi...
You're calling Arvind Kejriwal innocent?
Yes, 100%. It was a state government liquor policy. How can any fool say it's a scam? Even Telangana has a liquor policy. All Indian 28 states are having their own liquor policies. How can anybody say it is a scam?
They were speaking of bribes being taken.
It's all cock and bull story. No single rupee is recovered so far. Not even 1 rupee. Where is the recovery? Where is the proof? It's all in the air, you know. For the last 2.5 years, they say, they shout. But no single rupee is recovered, no trace, nothing. Just nothing. They are arresting innocent people, harassing them, taking some of their statements, and basing on their statement, they arrest Kejriwal, they arrest Kavita. It doesn't look rubbish.
The agencies have been on overdrive. They've been, the ED, IT have been on overdrive.
There are no more agencies, you know. They are allied संस्थाs of BJP. भाजपा के वो संस्था है. यूनिट्स जो रहते हैं ना, जैसा कि महिला विभाग, जैसा ये विभाग, कार्मिक विभाग, ऐसे बीजेपी के विभाग है वो तो सारा देश जान गया है.
The courts, don't you think the courts then will see through it?
Certainly, we believe in the judiciary. I think we'll get the justice. Maybe little later or more, but we'll get the justice.